previous class, we discussed about how to create a Spring project and what are all the disadvantages in Spring. For creating a Spring Boot application and launching it, we need to follow 5 steps. The first one is Spring Boot Starter Parent. Second one is Spring Boot Starter Web. Third one is JDK versions. We need to how to match and change the JDK versions. And fourth one is Spring Boot plugin. And the fifth one is create Spring Boot application launcher. The Spring Boot starter parent, this one will use, it will manage all the versions of the dependencies in our application. And Spring Boot starter web, it is the main dependency. It will create and it will add all jars for creating normal web application in Spring. It will add all dependencies. JDK version, which version we need to develop our application, we need to add that JDK version. Our default version could be 1.6. Spring Boot plugin, this plugin we need to add for build our application. Create Spring Boot application launcher, we need to create a launcher and we need to create a final Spring Boot application annotation we need to use and we need to do. These are all the 5 steps we need to use for creating a basic Spring Boot application project. Next things we will discuss in next class. Thank you.